Right, this is the Schmidt's black striped snake. If you're looking at it there, it's got all the right markings. The head's not quite so brown here. The stripes here are a little interrupted, but this is definitely him. The key features, according to the book, is the number of rows of scales down its back. The rows are this way. And from the side here, the big scales, the rows start. They work all the way across the top to the other side. There's 26 rows of scales. Most snakes have fewer than that. So this guy's unique in the number of rows of scales is much greater than in other species. Because here we have his close brother, the regular black striped tree snake. Coniophanies. This one's imperialis, but ours is Schmidtii. And this particular snake, we're going to flip to his bio here. Right here he is, the Schmidt's black striped snake. That's his bio, if you can read it here. There's a picture of his head. We can get close up there. That's him. And if we flip the page here, he's endemic to the Yucatan Peninsula. This is the only place in the world that this little guy occurs. They're fairly common. They are rear-fanged, so they have some poison. When I caught him on the porch last night, he was feisty as hell. He tried to bite me. He actually got one of his fangs in my finger a little bit, but it did not swell up or become irritated. Since then, he's calmed down completely. He's totally docile. He's very strong. He's like a constrictor almost, the way he can wrap around things. And he is wrapping around my finger there. And he's a cute little snake. Now that he's calmed down, but like I said, when I caught him, he was not a happy camper. But now, he's probably seen himself in the reflection in the camera there, and he's a big one too. I measured him. He was 19 inches according to the book. They range in size up to 16 and a quarter. So this is a big guy among the Schmidt black striped snakes. So just flipping back here. So once again, here we have the Schmidt's black striped snake. It's kind of cloudy this morning. Once again, we'll have an idea of his entire length here. There he is. See, surprisingly, he's very docile. He doesn't want to bite me. Last night, he would have had his fangs in me all over me. This morning, he doesn't care. One thing that's different about this snake, I think, compared to the book, his nostril is way big. Almost the size of his eye. If you look in the book here, he's got a freaking tiny little nostril. But this guy has a huge nostril. And yeah, I guess we could turn him this way so he is the way the book is supposed to be. There we go. But the light probably sucks there. Alright, so there he is, back up, and I'll wrap him around here, and as I said, he's very friendly now. Last night, I would have never done anything like that. He probably has fangs in my nose at this point, but now he's my buddy. And we actually did we had him in the Ziploc baggie at first, and we put some common Mexican tree frog tadpoles in there to see if he'd eat them, but wasn't about to try that. And we had an adult male Mexican tree frog we stuck in the bag with him, but shit, the tree frog was as big as he was, so I wouldn't really think he'd try to eat him. But anyway, there he is. He's a cute little devil. The Schmidt's black striped snake. So he's going back in the wild. He's been fun to have. Delana wants to keep him as a pet, but I don't think that's a good idea. So we're letting the rascal go. We did catch one previously too. way back in January. So that was, yeah, towards the end of the rainy season, and it's been raining for 6 weeks now. So they're out and about, and with that in mind, we're going to put him right down here and see how he takes off. Put him over here. Alright, there he is. Doesn't know what to do with his freedom. So I'll let you film as much as you like there. I'm gonna put the book away. Here's my coffee. You can back up and show the whole thing. Do I have me in my hands? Is everything in there? Okay. Alright. Well, this is a Schmidt's black line snake. I just found it a few minutes ago back by the corner of the house. He's tiny. You can see he's as big as my hand. I don't have a tape measure here. Do I have a tape measure? Let's go look over here. See what the light's like over there. There he is. Maybe he's 6 inches long at the most.
The light is better here too.
It is? Oh. Oh. Alright, we're about to take him out. I'm going to try to get him in my hand so we can get a close-up of him in my hands, alright? Let me back up and you can take a whole picture of the snake and me as I try to get him out of the dish. I'm going to take him over here to do this because I don't see it, but... Alright. I'm trying to get him. I got him. Oh, there we go. Oh, sweet. He's the coolest little snake. He's tiny. Are you getting him? I try to keep him in the light. He's frisky. He wants to get away, but he's gentle too. It's not going to hurt me. Tiny little tongue. Look at him look around. I can feel him ready to leap. He's all coiling up with his belly and squeezing up out of my hand. So cool the way he moves with his muscles. Look at that. Very shiny snake, and again, there's always some clue about their butt. Okay, this anal plate is not split. I mean, right here, it's one scale that goes all the way across. At least, can we see that? I'll keep it in the light here. Right there. Is it split or not? It looks not split to me. But there he is again. He has those two little eye spots in the back of his head there. So to keep him in view here. You can extend his body pretty good, but I don't know, I think he's a ground snake more than anything else. But, oh, incredibly soft and agile. Well, it eats little bugs, little snakes. Looks like he could be food for something. He's so tiny. He's cool though, incredibly cool. But this is turning out okay. You want to try over there at the other table where the light you said was better?
It's okay.
Yeah. Alright, well, we're about to take him outside and let him go where he belongs, so.
Okay. Goodbye.